You're done, Ty!
Wait, why are you all looking at me like that?
You son of
Tried to kill me over a little New Age management, eh?
But Mr. Krabs, I had no idea. I can explain.